Gentleness is a character of Christ. In Matthew chapter 11, 28 and 29, it says, "Come to me, all of you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls." The context of Matthew chapter 11, the Pharisees putting burdens and yoke to the Jews, to the people. And they're saying this, okay, in order for you to come to God and be pleasing to Him, you have to follow all these commands. Nung binilang po yung commands, especially in the law of Moses, there are 613. That's why when Jesus came, He said, okay, those are heavy burdens. Now I come to you, offering you something that no one else can offer. Come to me, all of you are weary, and I will give you rest. Why? Because I am gentle. He's not a weak leader. He's not a weak king. He came that we may have life. Many people continue to experience what hardship in life. Yeah, we do. But let's understand that Christ has already given us an invitation. It's open. It's our choice to come.